Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Forex Market Analytics. Take a look at the Euro Swiss, guys. It's been breaking, right? It's been breaking down. 109.55 was our official trigger here. So we had to take action. We pulled the trigger and established a short position starting with 50% position size because price already made quite a way, as you can see. Right now it's actually almost in the very middle of the range. Now we're looking at here, we're looking at mostly at this black system, right? This black support and resistance system. And we can see that ever since the beginning of September, price began to form this, take a look, this formation here. We have three well-established swings. And price is just coming off the higher part here, the higher section, after taking the previous high, by the way, right? We talked about this this consolidation we had here, very local trading range, and we said we suggested that that's probably price topping out, right? Sometimes we have a sharp, reversal, right? A sharp topping out, such as what we had here previously. That's what we call the V-shape reversal. But other times we'll have more of a curvy type of reversal, which is kind of price basically take its time to reverse, right? So it moves from an upside move in this case into an horizontal move, and only then it shifts for a real downside move, right? So we think it's happening right now because not only price broke below 109.55, which was our official trigger, but it was also successful breaking below 109.69 here, right? Just the day before. So we kind of knew that, we kind of noticed that, but we decided to wait one more day because we were not sure whether that 109.69, whether that 109.55 here is gonna hold, right? Even though we were, we were definitely tending to believe that's going to be a breakdown here, but we still wanted to go, to go as safe as possible. So now that price is breaking through 109.55, we also noticed something quite interesting. I want to show you. I'm going to zoom in here. Take a look at what happened just yesterday, right? Because at the beginning of the day, price actually started on the way up, right? It was basically pounding all that 109.69 here from below, and then came the breakdown, right? It just it just broke very swiftly, left that evidence of the battle that was going down at the beginning of the day, right? Failing eventually and then breaking below 109.55. That's a strong indication, right? That's a strong indication. It doesn't have enough strength to move up, so it must come down, right? That's the only option we have. And in this case, it's actually fit the bigger picture because, as you know, we're looking at that black system and we expect a move straight towards the lower section here, 108.60. That's our target. That's our, that's the next imminent support. It's a massive support level. We're going to use that as a primary target. We only have one in this case, no secondary targets. But it's also quite, it's a short-term type of trading opportunity, right? We're basically playing out the short-term cycle. So it's only about 60 pip to go, right? 62, 63 pip to go. At 108.60, we're closing out, we're pulling out, and we're going to look for opportunities somewhere else. I should also mention stop loss level, which is at 110, relatively tight. And yeah, looks like we have some negative momentum coming across right now as we speak. Hopefully that will last until we're gonna hit our target, right? All right, guys, there you go. Euro Swiss, finally we're pulling the trigger. It's ready, right? We'll be back to follow up. That's about it for today. We'll be back tomorrow. Take care.